Assalamualaikum everyone. In today's video I am going to share to you a complete roadmap of how to improve your English speaking. This is a 5-step roadmap. If you are following this step, then definitely your speaking English will improve. But before starting the video, let me tell you that in this step, one step is dependent on another. For example, 2 is depend on 1, 3 is depend on 2, and so on. So without wasting a time, let's get started. So in these 5 steps, the first step is how to fill your brain. What does it mean? It means that you have to fill English in your brain. But how? Through listening. Yes, through listening you will fill your brain with English by listening simple English video or English song or any English podcast. By listening this, what is going to happen? Your brain is going to observe the words, the rhythm, the sentence formation, and this will help you to build the foundation. In the second step, what you will do, you will copy what you are hearing. Yes, listen and copy, listen and repeat what you are hearing. By doing this, what is going to happen? Your mouth and your brain both get exercise, both are get trained by doing this. The third step is narration. Yes, in every day life, whatever you are doing, just try to speak in your own way. A simple sentence like if you are in the kitchen, then say I'm in the kitchen, I'm making a tea for me, there is no one in the house, I'm enjoying the day. A simple sentence, and this is a very fun activity because if you are making a mistake, then there is no one who is going to judge you, because here you are speaking to yourself. The fourth step is a very important step because most of the people give out in this step. You have to talk to others. Yes, whatever you are learning in the 3 step: listening, practicing, narrating, training your mouth, your brain, you are going to apply that. By doing this, a confidence will build up inside you. First time you feel that if I make a mistake, then people make fun of it. But don't worry, if you follow the 3 steps, then your making of mistake is very less. There is a very less chance of making a mistake. But if you still make a mistake, then it's okay, it's